This video was created to explain the course registration process at Parkway North High School for the 2019-20 school year. When you received the link for the course guide, you should have also received a list of courses that were pre-recommended for you, as well as an official course request sheet. Current 9th, 10th, and 11th graders will receive a copy of their unofficial transcript on Wednesday, January 9th. Under the Additional Information tab of the online course guide, there is a registration process page. This page shows the timeline for the course request process. Please pay special attention to the deadline for entering all course requests. You may want to attend curriculum night, which is a chance for you and your parents to talk to the teachers and ask questions about classes. The bottom of this page has a checklist separated by the roles for the course request process. If you follow this list, you will not miss any important steps. The Graduation Requirements and Plan worksheet is located under the Additional Information section. Students must earn credits in Communication Arts, Math, Science, Social Studies, Practical Arts, and Fine Arts, as well as Health, Physical Education, and Personal Finance. The chart is an easy way to keep track of your credits to make sure that you have taken everything you need to graduate. Use the unofficial copy of your transcript to help you complete the graduation requirement sheet. If you need help completing your graduation requirement sheet, please ask your teacher or counselor. Current 8th grade students will not be able to complete this step, but need to learn how to plan for meeting all the graduation requirements in the next 4 years. The 4-year plan is also located under the Additional Information section. This can help you decide which courses you need to take in order to best prepare you for your future. We are required to keep a copy of your 4-year plan in the guidance office, and your counselor will work with you to get this completed. Colleges and universities have different admission requirements, and these requirements are usually different than the graduation requirements for the state of Missouri. This handout provides some basic information about admission requirements. We recommend that you talk with your counselor to make sure that the courses you are selecting will line up with your long-term goals. This handout contains information about Missouri's A+ program. North High students who meet the A+ eligibility requirements can attend a Missouri public community college or vocational or technical school tuition-free. Many other colleges and universities also offer money to A+ students. This is a great opportunity. If you would like additional information about the A+ program, please visit the North High website. These required courses contain the classes that were recommended by your current teachers. These are required courses, and you cannot change these course requests in Infinite Campus without approval. If you would like to change a required course, you must complete and submit a parent-initiated placement form. Transfer the required courses onto the course request worksheet in order to practice writing in the 14 semester-long classes you wish to take on each line of the worksheet. You will be asked to select at least 6 extra courses that can be used as alternates if your other requests cannot be placed in your schedule. Please list your alternates in order of priority. Once you have determined your final list of class selections, complete an official course request worksheet. You will need to enter your course selection information into Infinite Campus using the registration portal. If you are uncertain how to use Infinite Campus for course registration, please visit the North High's website, which includes a video that will demonstrate how to use the portal. Both you and your parents need to sign the official course request worksheet and return it to your academic lab or homeroom teacher. Wednesday, January 16th is the deadline for returning this completed sheet to your teacher. They will make sure that your form is delivered to the appropriate office at North High. Your course requests will determine which classes we offer next school year. Students who do not submit their official course request sheet by the deadline may have their classes selected for them by their counselor. Next school year, if there is a problem or conflict in your schedule, you will have a 1-week window during which to make changes. Any changes made will be based upon the alternate requests that you have listed in Infinite Campus, so it is important that you select alternate courses that you like. Thank you in advance for completing the course selection in a thoughtful manner. If you need any help, please see your teacher, counselor, or grade level principal. And remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.